Hello, I'm Lillian with Lillylegal, where we help our clients get status for themselves and for their families using the U.S. immigration law system. So today I want to answer a question I've been getting a lot from the video I did about filing status, right? How do you file your taxes with your spouse if your spouse is not in the U.S.? Well, the short answer to this is if your spouse is not in the US, you need to speak with a tax professional, because in some situations you're able to file head of household or single depending on your particular situation. So if your spouse doesn't have a social security number or a tax ID, you're not able to file jointly with your spouse or even separately. So you really want to go ahead and talk to a tax professional, let them know your particular situation, and they will advise you on the best status for your situation. Okay, so typically if you have a child and your spouse is outside of the US, you did not live together for, I believe, 6 months, you're able to file head of household, and that is perfectly fine if it fits your particular situation, right? So that's why I say the best thing for you to do is to go ahead, consult with a tax professional, a CPA, a tax attorney, somebody that knows tax law and is credentialed with the IRS, that they can write you a letter if it becomes an issue later on the line. You can get a letter from this professional, right? And they will be able to basically tell you exactly why that is the best tax option for you. So again, you want to make sure that you are consulting a tax professional that is licensed, either an EA, a tax attorney, or an accountant, because you want to make sure that you are not making any mistakes. But anecdotally, I can tell you that I have had clients that their spouse are not in the US. They did file single, and the embassies that I have dealt with did not have an issue with that because the spouse was not in the US. However, you want to make sure in your particular situation, depending on the facts of your case, that would work, right? You don't want to run afoul of the IRS or USCIS. So the best way to protect yourself is to get an opinion from someone that is licensed and works with the IRS or in the tax system. Okay, so I hope that answers that question for you. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and put it in the comment section. Right? If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, go ahead and share it with them. And if you are watching in a place where you can subscribe and you do not want to miss any of my uploads, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And once again, I am Lillian Chukura. I am the owner of Lillylegal, where we do immigration law and we do it well. Thank you. Bye for now.